I love poisoning my husband.
I will drink your bone marrow while you sleep, dearest.
I will spit in your eyes if you do, my waffle.
I will bite your fingers off, my bagel.
I need my middle one.
I will make good use of it, don't worry.
Yet, stick it up your ass.
Only me and you and you and me, just us and your friend Steve. Do 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 Steve. Do 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 leave.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
NANI?! What in fuck's name are you doing?
Are you sure about that?
But, Rebecca, I love you. I love you too. Marry me, Rebecca. No. Why? I don't love you. Whoopsies. Rebecca! I am in love with another. Who is this man? He is you. Marry me, Rebecca.